Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Sally and I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at McCart. Today I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I did my Labor Day nails. They were super cute, super fun, very pink and very glittery. And before we get started, I did want to just address the hair really quickly. So as you guys all know, I do my own nails, and I figured if I do my own nails, then I totally can do my own hair and color it and, you know, give myself some lights. And apparently not, because it came out extremely blonde. I'm still working on this, but anyway, let's get right into it. Here we go. So I'm starting out with clean nails. I've already primed and prepped my nails, and I'm basically just measuring out the tips over here. My thumb is a little bit squarish, and so I basically just filed the top of the full cover tips so that it fits my thumb a little bit better. And one tip, you guys, is when you're doing the Femi Beauty method or even the dual form method is to just go one size up. And this is because you're accounting for the polygel to fit between your natural nail and the tip or the dual form. So I went ahead and filed it down, and it seems to fit a lot better. And now I'm gonna get started. I'm using Lily of the Valley from the House of Flores collection, as well as these little pink glitters that I got from the Mariposa Mayhem collection. It's so pink, it's so cute, I'm loving this. And since I'm doing the Femi Beauty method today, I'm doing everything backwards. I'm starting out with the top coat, and this is how I'm actually going to encapsulate the glitter. So I dipped my brush in a little bit of alcohol. You can do this with slip solution as well, just to wet it and make it a little bit easier to pick up the glitter. And I went ahead and kind of built out the French part of this nail. So instead of using like white polish, I'm basically using these glitters, and I'm kind of forming that smile line. This is really easy, and then you just cure it for 30 seconds, and then you can start applying your polygel into the underside of the nail tip. So I'm patting it in, and if you don't have slip solution, you can use alcohol, or another alternative is to use base coat. And I just feel like base coat works really well for me as well, but I'm using the alcohol today. So I'm patting that in, making sure that it's really thin, and then directly applying that onto my nail as if it was a press-on. And whatever that I accidentally squished out, I just dip my brush into more slip solution or alcohol, and then cleaning up the edges a little bit. And also one tip is to always flip your nail over and clean up the underside so that you don't get that chunkiness. And once you're happy with it, go ahead and cure it in your lamp for 30 seconds. And now that I finished my first finger, I'm gonna go on and do the exact same thing for my other fingers, making sure that I make all of my, my tips really thin. Polygel is extremely thick, so you want to make sure that, you know, you leave enough room for your nail or the natural side of your nail to be, you know, adhered to your design. Okay, so using more slip solution here to just clean up the edges, making sure that, you know, I don't have polygel squishing out the sides. And once I'm happy, I can go ahead and cure everything for 30 seconds and start filing. I love the Femi Beauty method just because there's so little filing that is needed, and it just always comes out so perfect. So if you've struggled with polygel before, this is a super easy way to do your nails. And I always file the underside of the nail because sometimes I get a little bit that I've squished out by accident. And once I'm happy with it, this is my favorite part. I'm gonna go in with the McCart top coat and just make everything super glossy and seal everything in. And that's pretty much it. Gorgeous nails.